What is your name and what do you do?
My name is Belle, and I'm a physical therapist.
And how did your vehicle get damaged?
Well, that's a long story.
Uh,
Basically, I was driving. I had gotten a flat tire before, and when I got the flat tire, I guess it broke loose a little bit of the bumper. And so last time when it was raining really hard, there was a ton of water on the street that I was on, and it was putting so much pressure on my car that the bumper just like popped off. And then as I was driving, because there was no shoulder, the bumper like went under my car because I couldn't pull off to the shoulder. The bumper went under my car and split like right down the middle.
wow.
Yeah, and I couldn't get it out from under my car. I had to like jack it up to get it out from under my car. So it's totally
And do you think
bad.
our new part will help your vehicle get back to what it was?
100%, because the bumper that I had, no way that it could be repaired. It was like split down the middle. And when I saw your website that I could just get it painted already, because I looked at other websites where you could get like the bumper, but you still have to take it in to get it painted. And so to get this already done is just like taking a huge stress off of me for sure.
And is there something that almost prevented you from buying our product?
No.
What helped you choose us?
The fact that it's already painted, you choose it on your website. It said that you choose like the right product, the OEM product for the car. And so the fact that you match the right paint, the paint number, the right part, a good part, I could just like put it right back on. That made it much easier, a lot less headache and stress to think about other stuff that I had to do on top of getting a bumper.
And how much do you think the damage you got would have cost at a normal body shop?
$2,000, because that's what they quoted me.
And would you be doing the installation yourself?
No, somebody else is going to do it for me.
Okay. And how did you like the quality of the bumper and the paint match?
I think it looks amazing. Yeah, it looks really, really good.
Would you recommend this to others?
100%.
And is there anything else you want to say about our product or service?
Thank you for saving my bumper and me having a car again.